In this video, we're going to focus on the property border left style, where we basically will give the left side a new design. So let's do that immediately. So with this, we can start to play around with it with a border left style. And then in here, we can give it a dash. Once we do that, we have this design here. And with this, we can play around. If you've noticed maybe some of these items, let's make this one immediately. Instead of this square, I will make this a long rectangle. And then let's give this 300 pixels. If we save this, we have like that, alright. And then imagine the following. I'm going to comment out these two here. Let's save this. Then we have here this nice line here. Let's make this a solid line. And what happens now here is basically we have like some of these notifications. You can make this color here, the background color should be a light green version. So what we can do here for now, we can adjust this. We say here light green. And once we refresh here, no, this is slightly too light, or still not light enough, I would say. Let's say 0 D0. Let's save that and refresh. Something like that. So sometimes you have like these very slight colors. We can play around with it. I have to check what's the exact color for that, but this is basically a way how to play around with that. And then you have like these notification or alert boxes where you see quite often we have a border line here on the side, and then they show here the color, and then they have here warning or item has been saved, etc., etc. All right. So with this, you can play around to create new kind of shapes, as very common, like those alert boxes. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.